Hi, this is Phil Hinton and welcome back to EI Live and our continuing coverage from the JVC stand. They have 4 new projectors this year. We found out about a few of them. There's lots of videos on our channel, so go and find them. But in this video we're going to go through the entire range with Tim from JVC.
My name's Tim, I'm the UK sales manager for JVC Projectors.
Tim, why don't you take us through the whole projector range, because it's an exciting year for JVC, I think.
Yeah, it certainly is. So this year we're introducing 4 brand new DLA 4K projectors to our range. So should we start at the top and work our way down?
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay, so at the top of the range we've got our DLA-NZ900. So this is our flagship DLA device. Retail price on this is $25,999. As the pinnacle of our range of DLA projectors, it's using 3rd generation DLA. We've got 100mm all glass lens on there, and also features our 2nd generation E-Shift technology as well. Stepping down from there, we've also got our NZ700 model, which is still a native 4K product. This offers 2700 lumens, 65mm all glass lens, and 8K E-Shift generation 2. Stepping down from there, we now have our brand new NZ700, which is launching in November. Again, native 4K DLA projector. This now has a 35% smaller footprint than the previous models. And at the entry level of our native 4K, we have the NZ500, which is 2000 lumens, native 4K, and is the 35% smaller footprint.
Now it's a huge range that you got, and a huge difference in terms of price points as well. So. Yeah. Maybe explain what you get coming down the line in terms of who the consumer is, what the market is that you're aiming at with different projectors.
Definitely. I think NZ500 and NZ700, which are for us our entry-level products, I think they have mixed uses, so certainly cinema rooms, but also media rooms and living room spaces. Now that we've increased the brightness on these models, we're now able to project in much brighter environments as well. The NZ500 also comes in white as well, so it's a much more living room friendly finish. I think when you start moving up into the NZ800 and NZ900 models, you're really stepping up the performance then, so you've got much higher contrast. You're achieving those much deeper black levels, so you've got 100,000 to 1 native contrast on the NZ800 and 150,000 to 1 on the NZ900. So we're really hitting high quality cinema performance with these 2 top models.
And it's all laser now in your range, isn't it? Have you done away completely with bulb-based projectors? Yeah, so the MP5 was our last lamp-based projector, so the NZ500 replacing it is now laser. Obviously there's some legislation coming up in the not too distant future, and there's also environmental considerations. So moving to a complete laser-based range, I think it's a lot easier for the consumer to understand the step-ups in the range as well. And it's, I believe it's been a while since you were at a trade show like this and introducing your range and so on, so you must be confident that you now have something that the whole market needs to see.
Yeah, I think so. I think, we wouldn't be here if we weren't confident on our products. We've been running demonstrations. We're at the first day of EI Live. We've been running demonstrations all morning, and the overriding feedback from anyone that's seen it, I think including yourself, Phil, has been really positive on the products that we're showing today.
Well, best of luck for the rest of the show. Cracking lineup of projectors.
Great, thanks, Phil.